Hey, so this is the job basically. I have the website is up at thomaskinkadehq.com if you want to take a look at it. Uh, it's a WordPress site with the optimized press theme, and this is the way it looks right now. Obviously, I'm not pleased with the way it looks, and that's why I'm looking to revamp everything. Originally, what the client wants or wanted, and I was trying to kind of make it work in some sort of a way. I'd like see this is one of his competitors and someone that he knows. You notice how this setup is done. I believe this is a Joomla site, and he has a theme that's relatively simple. Um, but I can't seem to find this particular theme anywhere. So, but I'd like this to be done in WordPress just because I like WordPress better. Um, so even if you took the theme that you used for the cannoli cookie site and tweaked it a little bit to set it up like this, because I'd like it to be set up with e-commerce. So the general wireframe I'd like to be like this, with, but however, see how this is using this background is using this right here with this brown and all that kind of stuff. I'd prefer it if it used this logo with the yellow and the gray and the white and the black as a palette, a color palette, as it were. So basically, everything would be kind of the same as far as the material on the uh, on the shopping cart side. That's something that I actually need your advice as to how you want it before I get rolling and figure out how to do it. There are a few different things that are attached to it, which is something that I'm trying to figure out how to upload, bulk upload everything, either using an Excel spreadsheet or if I'm going to individually have to create each one of these. But essentially, there are different frames, and I actually really like this particular thing that he has there. I don't know if you can create that. If you can create that for an inexpensive price, that ability to do that, that would be awesome. Um, and I can get you the JPEGs of all these, or the PNGs of all these frame pictures. Um, but then there are different sizes and different types and all that kind of stuff. They have like a standard number, which is a standard print, and they have an artistic proof, and they have a gallery proof. And so each one of these has a different price point with a different size and all that kind of stuff. So if you can advise me as to how you'd like the bulk upload to work for the e-commerce site, I can have the Excel spreadsheet put together with, you know, a URL for the image and all the explanations and product descriptions and all that sort of stuff. I'm actually in the process of um, of doing that with one of these. I have an Excel spreadsheet with a bunch of the listings. I have a SKU number, a post title, a post content. This has the product information in it. Um, the post excerpt, the featured, the price, the old price, the quantity, the warranty, the image URL. So you have a URL that goes up to my Amazon S3 um, hosting package, category, post type, post status, so on and so forth. And then I have the different sizes. Unfortunately, I'm trying to figure out how you would like to get how it would work for the bulk upload for all the other information regarding the print types, and because it's kind of a cross section. There's a bunch of titles. There's actually much more that I have to fill in. There's a whole catalog full. So that's why I'm trying to figure out how to do it with Excel so that I can keep the cost down to a minimum, because I can get the data entry done on my own as long as I know what the bulk upload situation is. Um, so that's pretty much the whole thing. Um, beyond that, everything else is kind of set up the way it's already kind of set up. If you go to the site, I have a call to action in the front here. This I'm gonna do the same thing like I did on the cannoli cookie site. I'm gonna make this a pop up. so that I can remove that from the theme and not have it be so intrusive. I'm going to need a listing for the galleries and all that kind of stuff. And I'm just trying to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. I really liked what you did with the cannoli cookie site. Um, and then just keep the general, this stuff is all the same. This all this material would be exactly the same except for the stuff that's needs to be uploaded from the catalog. So